Hi, I'm Frankie, and in this video, I'm going to share with you what Azure API Management products are and how you can create and manage them for your APIs. This video is based on the Azure API Management hands-on lab. If you want to follow along or do it on your own, you can find a link to it in the description. When talking about how products interact with APIs in your Azure API Management instance, we can think about your APIM instance with a sort of API store, which has a variety of APIs that are available. The APIs that have been added to your Azure API Management instance can then be added to any specific product that you have so that developers can subscribe to products and get access to the APIs you've specified. For example, I could create a product one where I make all of the APIs that I have available within that product. I could also create separate products where only specific APIs are available for those specific products. Meaning a developer might subscribe to a product, but only get access to the APIs that we've specified for that product. And there's a lot of options for managing your products as you go, where you can add APIs to your products and remove them whenever you want. In the Azure portal, let's navigate to our products and see what we currently have. If I come over to the API section, and in the drop-down click Products, I can see that we have two products currently, the Starter product and the Unlimited product. I can click into these products to see the different settings and features available for them. Going into settings, I can see that this product has a rate limit of 5 calls per minute and 100 calls per week. Let's see where this is. If I go to Policies and come over to Inbound Processing, I can hover above this and see that it has a rate limit, and this is where our limit of 5 calls every 60 seconds comes, and our quota for 100 calls a week. We'll go into more depth on policies in a future video. Going to the APIs property, I can see all the APIs that this product has associated with it. Going to the Subscriptions tab, we can see and manage all of the subscriptions that are specific for this product. The Unlimited product requires administrative approval. We can see this in settings from when the product was first created. Let's create our own product now. Within products, I'll click Add, and we'll call this product our Gold tier product. We won't publish it just yet because I may want to make changes to my product before it's available to developers and guests. I'll require a subscription to use this API so that it's more secure, but I won't require administrative approval for someone to subscribe to this product. The subscription count limit will help you optimize the performance for the APIs within your product if you don't want too many developers subscribed to the product using those APIs. I won't have a subscription count limit for my Gold tier. You can also add legal terms for your product if you want developers to check a box saying that they have agreed to the legal terms before using your product. I also have the option to add APIs to my product while creating it. I'll add the Echo API and create my product. My new product is created, but I can see here that only administrators have access to my Gold tier. I want to change this access control so that developers and guests will be able to see my Gold tier product as well. Going into the Gold tier, I'll select Access Control, I'll add a group, and I'll select developers and guests to give them access to my product. In a new browser window, as a guest developer, I can just see the Starter and Unlimited product. If I refresh the page, I still don't see my Gold tier product. But the reason for this is because my Gold tier product still is not published. Back in the Azure portal, let's publish our Gold tier now. I can come over to the 3 dots and I can hit Publish. Back in the other browser window, I can now refresh the page and I can see my Gold tier product available. This should be all you need to get started with products in Azure API Management. If this video was helpful for you, please like it and subscribe to this channel for more content like this. And if you missed any of the past Azure API Management videos I've put together, you can find some of those here. Thank you so much. I'll see you in the next one.